In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 152 by 2 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 2, that is why we will consider the number 15. We know that 2 times 7 is 14 and 14 is closer to 15. If we subtract, we get 1. Now again see that this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. Now we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 152 divided by 2 is equal to 76. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.